Hello friends, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to get rid of rats from your house. Just 2 minutes. This is a magical home remedy to get rid of rats from your house. So let's start the video. We need some ingredient to this mixture. So friends, our first ingredient is peanut. Peanut is important, play a role to kill the rats from your house. This is a very old way to get rid of rats from your house. We will put some peanuts and crush it very well. After crush the peanuts, we need a bowl, fresh peanuts, add in it the next ingredient is garlic. Garlic is most important to kill the rats from your house. The rats hate the smell of garlic and don't like this. Garlic is a very important role to get rid of rats from your house. So friends, we will put some garlic in it and crush it very well. After crush the garlic, we will mix it very well. So our next ingredient is milk. We will add some milk in it. After adding the milk, so friends, the crushed peanut add into the mixture. So friends, after adding all things, we will mix it very well. Then we need a bowl and all the mixture add in it. So friends, our magical home remedy to get rid of rats are ready. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to watching my video. Thank you so much.